Back in the Kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipe ideas and tips with things which you can do at home. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how you can boil off some corn at home. You know what I mean? Sometimes you go to the shop or your supermarket or you go somewhere, some corn, and you say to yourself, a long time I don't have any corn, you know what I mean, and I like to boil off some corn, and you know, I'm gonna show you. You know, simple little things like these mean a lot to some people. You know what I mean? It might not mean to some, but it mean a lot to some people. Stay tuned and stick to the recipe and enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments below. Thank you guys for your comments, and also, you know what I mean, leave your comments, very important, and also subscribe, share it, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus. So basically, I got two corn. I just brought these two corn at the local shop just now. Most people call it corn on a cup. Some people just call it like we Jamaican corn. All right, and I'm gonna show you. You know what happen? You can go to the shop and you can just buy two corn. They come just like this, ready to cook. All you need to do is just wash them off. All right. So now basically I already washed out my corn. Now I'm going to cook them, but I'm gonna boil them for roughly about 12 to 15 minutes into this pot. So right here, guys, I'm just gonna show you what's going on inside of the pot. Right here, that's the pot right here. Massive pot, but not too big. To be honest, I'm just gonna put the two corn inside of it. If you want to put some salt, it's up to you, option wise. But I'm just gonna be cooking that for about 12 to 15 minutes. So anyway, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. Very important to the team, and also we got a lot more ideas coming your way. Stay tuned. Nice one. So basically, as you can see, the corn is just boiling. So all I have to do is just boil it for roughly about 12 to 15 minutes. And look at that, really lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do now is shear it out because these are finished. All right. So let's take them out and make you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, I just shear out the corn, and that's the way they're looking, so lovely and nice. All I have to do is just boil them for roughly about 12 to 15 minutes, and then cook really nice and lovely. So hopefully, guys, will just enjoy the recipe, and this you can have it just as it is, boiled corn at home. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments at home. Thank you so much to tune into the show, and we got a lot more ideas and recipe coming. See you next time. Bye bye.